Hello friends, welcome to IELTS Success, where your achievement is my accomplishment. Once again, I am here with another video on latest Cue Card along with part 3 follow-up questions and answers to help you to attain 8 plus band. But first, if you like my video, please do like and subscribe my channel to get further updates on latest video. So today's cue card is talk about an equipment that was broken and you got repaired. And the related questions could be what the equipment was, what was the problem, when and how you got it repaired, and how you felt about it. So let's see a sample answer for this particular cue card. As I always say, it's good to have one or two liner introduction for an impressive answer. So let's see this sample answer. Well, in this contemporary world, electronic appliances have become a part and parcel of life. Undoubtedly, with the rapid acceleration of this modern equipment, life has become a cakewalk, which was not the case earlier. Unfortunately, these mechanical or electronic gadgets get broken or stop working due to a myriad of reasons. However, by mending or replacing them, it can be reused. Here I would like to talk about an incident when I got my LED television repaired. Actually, a couple of years ago, I invited one of my best friends at home for a small get together, along with her family. Since we met after ages, we got so engrossed in chatting that I completely overlooked her little daughter approaching to my television until I heard a loud noise. Actually, while playing with toys, accidentally she hit the TV screen with her toy figure. Since it was an LED panel, there was no external damage. However, its delicate internal display had a huge crack. I tried to turn it on again and again, still it was not working. I went blue as it was the most expensive electronic device at my home. My friend too went into pieces and regret to me, but there was no use crying over spilled milk, as the child was just a 2 year old. To my surprise, she immediately called the customer care to send a technician to fix the issue. Although it cost me an arm and a leg, I was thrilled to bits when I got my repair television. That day onwards, I'm extremely cautious about my valuable belongings as I learned a good lesson to be attentive and careful. So, friends, this is how you're supposed to answer this particular cue card based on your personal scenario using these lexical resources and vocabulary which I have used in this particular cue card. So, you must be wondering what is the formula of getting 8 plus band in speaking? It's quite simple. You just need to use certain vocabulary, which is lexical resource, along with few idioms in speaking. These are some vocabulary and idioms I have used in this cue card, and I have also highlighted them in my sample answer for your reference so that you can use them easily in your cue card. Even if you manage to use 2 or 3 idioms out of these idiomatic phrases, you can achieve a good band and score high in your speaking session. Here are a few part 3 follow-up questions and answers related to this particular cue card which could be asked by the examiner on your examination day. So let's see some sample answers for these particular questions. What are the common home appliances that people use these days? Well, household appliances are a compulsion in this modern scenario. Thus, every common man possesses a plethora of electronic house appliances such as microwave to cook and preheat the food, vacuum cleaners to clean the house, washing machines to do laundry, induction gas for cooking, and many more multiple items. We can't imagine our life without these appliances as it helps in automating most of the manual effort and thus reduce human energy and time and makes life more convenient. Do you think modern technology makes people lazier? This is an interesting question. Perhaps the most advanced technology is making people more lethargic as people are over dependent on the machine for every single task. While, on the other hand, technology is the need of an hour in this contemporary era as it has evolved to accommodate a more comfortable lifestyle. However, as we say that excess of everything is bad, we must set our limits. What can people do to protect their equipment from technical problems? To be frank enough, every mechanical thing has their lifespan and they will certainly break down at a certain point of time. However, we can prevent such equipment from technical glitches by taking precautionary measures. Since it is unpredictable when failure will happen, we should get these items serviced regularly to avoid any problems such as dusting, cleaning, lubricating, preserving, and maintaining. When an electronic item of yours does not work, would you repair it or buy a new one? Perhaps I would like to get it fixed first, until and unless it is completely scrapped, because repair would probably cost me less as compared to buying a new one. Nevertheless, if repairing old items cost at least half as much as buying a new one, it is more beneficial to go ahead and replace it. Are you good at handling problems on your own? Well, it depends upon the situation. I believe problem solving is an essential skill which helps us to deal with the difficult situations in both personal and professional life. At times, I find myself capable of solving a certain problem effectively and efficiently, but sometimes I find myself on the fence to deal with tough situations. At that time, I don't hesitate to take the help of others or someone who is an expert at problem solving skills. So friends, this is how you're supposed to answer these type of follow-up questions pertaining to your personal lives and your experience. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any further query, please feel free to contact me via email on the below given email ID, which is ielts34@gmail.com, or else you can also leave your comment below in the comment section. Please do like and subscribe my channel to get further update on the latest video. Once again, thank you so much for watching my video and best of luck for your examination.